Good evening, guys. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another market update. Hopefully, you had a wonderful day. So today I didn't trade actively today. So the main reason was market was like extremely volatile. So this will continue for a while till like maybe today we will see some directional move because of like couple of data which is coming out today. I will explain that. And like so I am personally a believer that like if you are a person who's like trying to make money in the volatile market, putting all your money and wasting that money, you won't be able to capitalize the big moves when there is actual direction is shown by market. So yesterday and today, if you see the market, like market was not doing uh, a proper directional move or anything. Just market was going up and down like here and there, like lot of wicks were there like to take out like lot of retail SLs. So this thing was continuously happening, so I decided to stay cash in like indices, and I tried two trades. I will explain that also. One was like a stop loss. In that also I got a stop loss it, and the other one went really nice. So around 1.5 hour I made today, but like to be honest, like I was staying sideline. I didn't actively trade today because there were like incidents where like random wicks were taking out like lot of supply. So the main reason, if you see why Nifty fell today, is it's not because of any financial service or anything. Energy sector was the main reason why like we saw major fall which is happening. Reliance, one of the main player in Nifty. Reliance was like almost like 2.2 percentage down by the closing, and like BPCL, IOC, all these energy and oil companies were like down because of like crude oil prices like yesterday went up almost like 3.5 percentage and all those things, which is the reason why like we saw this thing happening. So what is like for coming for tomorrow? So this is going to be an important night, okay, for the market. So around 8 o'clock we will be receiving, not 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock. We our numbers will be coming out. CPA data, US CPA data will be coming out. I am recording at this moment around 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. By the time this video will be coming out, like CPA numbers will be already out. So one thing you need to make sure that like you watch that data. It should be, so there are like expectations are coming out in the market. So if the expectations are like met properly, then we will see a good upside. Short covering rally will be happening in the market. So the expectation is somewhere around 7.9. 7.9. And like so this will initiate like a lot of long positions. Long unwinding will be happening in the market. So make sure that one thing you need to do is like you need to monitor the data. Today around 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, US Indian inflation data came out, which is below the estimate. It is almost like 5.7. So the estimates were like 5.9. This is also good. And Indian production index were like showing like really good strength. So coming into we are seeing like a lot of strength, but like it's just the factor that like what is going to happen in global economy. So US CPI numbers and like jobless claim data both are coming out today. So which is going to determine the direction of like US market, and that is going to determine how well we are going to do in the coming days. So if you see in a larger time frame, as I was telling you guys, this will be a major important pivot for the coming days. But like if you see here, there was a weak break happened here. We didn't. I was constantly telling you guys to watch out for this level. So we saw a small big break happening, but like there was no solid candle closing which has happened yet. The big is like can be a liquidity grab. If the inflation data numbers are coming really good, we might see a really pushing upside. So what I did is like for tomorrow, actually I'm created a long straddle. I did it on like long straddle on Fin Nifty. The main reason was like the expiry is like only on Friday, next Thursday is all. So all the premiums were like little high. So what I did is like I went for like Fin Nifty. So that is one thing which I did. So coming to Indian market, for like what you need to do is for tomorrow, if we see a proper gap, if at all, if there is a gap up is happening. So if it is happening, like imagine you see 100 point gap up, then there might be a good short covering rally will be coming into the market. So the reason is very simple. You can see the highest call rating which is happening now. It is around 17,900. And if you see like a good gap up is happening around this level, we will see a short covering happening. And if at all, like we will, if this low, so the low which we marked and we were discussing on the larger time frame, if Nifty is able to break this low with a gap down itself, then 17,900 put unwinding will start to come in, and like market can go further down also. So if there is a gap down happening, the fall might be more significant. If it is a gap up happening, then the market can be little more sideways. That can be possible. Coming to Bank Nifty was like showing like more strength compared to Indian Nifty. So and like all these finance are like still holding. So if you, the reason why I'm telling you finance are holding, if you check all the financial stocks, all the fiat stocks are currently on a larger time frame demand. So this is something which you need to watch out. So if these able to take good demand from these like larger time frame demands, a market will be like financial stocks will be like looking really good for a positive up move. So Bank Nifty and Nifty can go further high, especially Bank Nifty. So if tomorrow what you need to do is like this day high and day low. Okay, today's day high and day low is going to be very important. You just mark these levels in your charts and wait patiently. Once you get a directional move, once you get like broken out of this like previous this range, then we will see a good directional move will be coming into the market. So I'm not going to comment on like US market today, because US market is going to completely change its direction or like completely show his strength only when US inflation numbers are going to come out. Till that point, like there is no point of speculating. So I don't prefer like speculating on things. So inflation numbers, let the inflation numbers comes in, and like let the jobless data come in. So if both are good, we will see really good moves in the US market as well. So make sure that you be ready for that. So I'm repeating you guys again, please don't put money when there is like huge amount of volatility is there in the market. Staying sideline is a skill. Okay, staying sideline is a very good skill to have, because if you are able to protect your capital when there is a big move is happening, you can put all your money in and like make huge amount of money also. So if you are putting a lot of money when there is huge amount of volatility is there, what will happen is like the institution will be hunting your stop losses, and that will take all your money from your pocket. And by the time there is a directional move is happening, you know the direction also, but you don't have the capital. So don't be get that guy. Make sure that you just stick to the plan and enjoy the ride when you have, when you can enjoy. So volatility is one thing. So when you get a direction, you go with that. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.